Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC continues to push higher, reacted nicely to our support zone and is, coiling up possibly for a move. The thing is, I'm getting a little bit concerned. That doesn't mean I'm bearish because the trend is still up and we're actually moving in the right direction. But I posted it already on Discord and Telegram earlier that, I'm just getting a bit concerned about that structure. I mean, have you seen VeChain or VTHO today? That's really what should ideally happen if this here is the correct microstructure on the VeChain chart. But it's not doing it yet, okay? And that always means, we have to be a little bit on the side of caution because it is coiling up for something, but we have a lot of overlapping price action from the lows. I mean, the trend is correct, and we've seen here movements to the upside, reactions to support regions. And 4 of our support regions, 5 actually with this one, have been respected recently after this potential wave 2 low that formed on the 23rd of January. However, it's when you have too many 1-2 setups and it's not breaking out, and I mentioned that already a few days ago, then you start to think about alternatives, right? So all I can highlight at the moment, I'm still observing this. I'm watching for higher prices, no change, but I'm on high alert for a potential change, at least in microstructure. Let me just shift this. For a potential change in microstructure, it might mean we have to be a little bit flexible because I can tell you that this is not typical behavior here for a third wave rally, unless this is another 1-2 setup, which would be uber bullish. But I just sort of don't believe it without finally seeing movements. Well, that doesn't mean I'm bearish. The support levels are holding. You can simply go with these support levels, and the white structure, which is currently still my primary scenario, remains valid as long as the price stays above 83.2 cents. That's the critical support. Okay, it could still be that this wave 2, for example, is still in the making and we test the orange support region again. But I mean, can you see that overlapping price action and really the potential ascending wedge pattern here? It's just a bit of a warning, It's just a bit of a warning. These tend to break out sometimes to the upside in crypto, and that is super bullish. So I'm not the person who's telling you they always break down. They often do. But I've seen it often enough in crypto where people said, they have to break down, it's all bearish, and they actually go up. So it's worth just focusing on the levels, focusing on what we see. We have reached or we have reacted to many of these, let's say, trade setups and bullish support regions very successfully. It's just that it's not doing yet what it really should be doing in a third wave. It seems like the movements get smaller and smaller. It seems to run out a little bit out of steam. But then again, it's moving into the apex of this ascending wedge pattern. And I just want to prepare you for a potentially big move that could be down or up. It literally depends on which direction do we break out. So only you can watch that because it will happen and it will probably be difficult to act on it straight away. But be aware that a big move could be coming shortly. Be aware what the support levels are. They haven't changed for now. So, but I would like to just make this a little bit less dense here, the background. So support remains at 83.2 cents. Below that level, I'm probably going to watch this support region here, which I'm going to adjust slightly. And it is down to 79 cents next, okay? Because this could be a slightly different structure, which is going to be more challenging to trade. I would then be looking at a potential diagonal here, 1-2, A, B, C of 3, then a 4 and a 5. So I would just like to mention it could be that we see a B wave pullback, which might be a little deeper. To be honest, I would like to leave the support area where it is, because if this is a B wave, we might see a flat structure here develop. So I want to be prepared for different scenarios. I think here it's wise to be on high alert for a deeper pullback than it should be in an impulse, while not getting bearish. Just being on high alert and being cautious. I think that is the best, let's say the best state of mind to be in here, because it's still making higher highs and higher lows. And to be fair, everybody who's acted on any of these setups we've presented in recent months should have made money and should be in profit. So all you really need to do is just relax and manage risk. if you want to trade the smaller timeframes, just be on high alert. And I think the levels are clear. If this really is the wide wave count, which is impulsive, we actually should see a move up to 96 cents, well, as a minimum, and 98 cents in an ideal world, in wave 3 of 3. That's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.